Fatty fish oil and algae-based omega-3 supplements play a highly valuable role in supporting brain health, particularly for individuals who do not regularly consume fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, or mackerel. The primary reason for their effectiveness lies in their concentrated supply of DHA and EPA, two long-chain omega-3 fatty acids that are fundamental to the structure, function, and resilience of the brain. DHA, in particular, is a major structural component of neuronal cell membranes, especially in regions of the brain responsible for memory, learning, and executive function. Adequate DHA levels help maintain membrane fluidity, which allows brain cells to communicate efficiently and adapt quickly during learning and memory formation. When DHA intake is sufficient, synaptic signaling becomes more precise and flexible, supporting faster information processing and stronger memory consolidation. In contrast, low DHA levels are associated with impaired cognitive performance, reduced attention, and increased vulnerability to age-related cognitive decline. Supplementation with fish oil or algae-derived DHA helps restore and maintain these structural components of the brain, supporting mental clarity and cognitive stability across the lifespan. EPA, while present in smaller amounts in brain tissue, plays a critical regulatory role by controlling inflammation. Chronic neuroinflammation interferes with synaptic communication and accelerates neuronal damage, contributing to cognitive decline and mood disorders. EPA helps modulate inflammatory signaling pathways, reducing the production of pro-inflammatory molecules that can harm brain cells. By creating a calmer neural environment, EPA indirectly supports learning, memory, and emotional balance. This anti-inflammatory effect is particularly important for older adults and individuals experiencing chronic stress, both of which are associated with elevated brain inflammation. Omega-3 supplementation also supports brain plasticity, the brain's ability to form new connections and reorganize itself in response to experience. DHA influences the expression of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, a protein that promotes neuron growth, survival, and synaptic formation. Higher activity of this protein is linked to improved learning capacity, better memory retention, and greater cognitive flexibility. Through this mechanism, omega-3 supplements do more than preserve existing brain structure. They actively support the brain's ability to adapt and remain functionally youthful. Another important benefit of fish oil and algae supplements is their impact on mood and mental well-being, which are closely tied to cognitive performance. DHA and EPA influence neurotransmitter systems involving serotonin and dopamine, supporting emotional stability, motivation, and stress resilience. Improved mood and reduced anxiety create conditions in which the brain can perform optimally, enhancing focus, memory, and problem-solving ability. Algae-based omega-3 supplements deserve special recognition because they provide DHA and EPA in a form suitable for vegetarians and vegans, without reliance on marine fish sources. These supplements offer the same brain-supportive fatty acids found in fish oil, making them an effective and sustainable option for maintaining cognitive health in plant-based diets. Importantly, algae-derived omega-3s are often highly purified and free from environmental contaminants, adding an additional layer of reassurance for long-term use. Long-term observational studies and clinical trials consistently show that higher omega-3 intake is associated with better cognitive performance, slower age-related cognitive decline, and reduced risk of neurodegenerative disease. These benefits are most pronounced when omega-3 intake is consistent over time, highlighting the value of supplementation for individuals whose diets lack sufficient fatty fish. When used regularly and at appropriate doses, fatty fish oil or algae-based supplements function as a reliable nutritional strategy for preserving brain structure and function. By supporting neuronal membranes, reducing inflammation, enhancing brain plasticity, and stabilizing mood, concentrated omega-3s help maintain memory, attention, and cognitive resilience. For those who do not consume fatty fish regularly, these supplements provide an effective and scientifically supported means of sustaining brain health across all stages of life.